Hey science lovers, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a question that's as ancient as empires, as wild as wizardry, and as bold as billion-dollar dreams. Can Mercury really be turned into gold? Sounds like fantasy, right? But what if I told you it's already been done? Yes, with the power of science, nuclear physics, and a touch of madness. Today, we're busting myths, revealing truths, and peeking into the future of alchemy. Buckle up, because this isn't just a science podcast. This is an intellectual time machine. Let's go. The ancient obsession, the origin of alchemy. Let's rewind the clock, back to ancient Egypt, where priests in golden robes whispered secrets into the cold stone of pyramids. To China, where mystics mixed mercury with herbs in jade bowls. To medieval Europe, where none other than Sir Isaac Newton, yes, the Newton, secretly practiced alchemy, scribbling encrypted notes about turning base metals into gold. But why gold? Because gold is immortal. It doesn't rust, doesn't corrode. It shines forever. It's the symbol of eternity and unimaginable wealth. Here's the twist, though. Alchemy wasn't just early chemistry. It was spiritual. They weren't just trying to change metals. They were trying to change themselves, to purify the soul, to perfect the spirit, to transform the human condition, just like mercury into gold. Poetic, right? But now, let's step out of the myth and into the lab. The atomic truth. Can mercury really become gold? All right, time to get nuclear. Everything in the universe is made of atoms. And what defines each element? The number of protons in its nucleus. Gold has 79 protons. Mercury has 80. Wait. Just one proton away? Exactly. That S. Why ancient alchemists were so obsessed with mercury. They were unknowingly closer to the atomic truth than they ever realized. So, what if we could remove just one proton? Welcome to the world of nuclear physics. Let's step inside a particle accelerator. Scientific breakthrough, the day mercury became gold. Flash forward to 1980. At the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, a team led by Nobel Prize-winning chemist Dr. Glenn Seaborg pulled off the impossible. They bombarded mercury atoms with neutrons, tweaking their atomic structure. And guess what? They created gold. Real, authentic, atomic gold. Not symbolic, not mythological. The actual element, 79 on the periodic table. But here's the catch. It cost millions of dollars to make just a few atoms. Scientifically historic? Absolutely. Economically worthless? For now. So yes, alchemy is real. But it's not magic. It's nuclear engineering. Let that sink in. What kings and philosophers dreamt of for centuries, we've already done. Futurescape. Industrial alchemy? Let's shift gears and look forward. What if one day we could create gold cheaply from other elements? What if matter could be programmed like software, where atoms rearrange like Lego blocks? Enter quantum transmutation, molecular nanotechnology, artificial atomic printing. Imagine a lab where you type a command, and boom, gold bars form from pure atomic precision. Sounds impossible? Remember, flying was impossible until the Wright brothers. Cloning was fiction until Dolly the sheep. Talking to AI? Pure sci-fi, until now. Futurists like Dr. Michio Kaku and Ray Kurzweil believe atomic-scale manufacturing could be a reality within this century. Alchemy 2.0, fueled by AI, quantum computers, and atomic lasers. Mind-blowing connections, gold, consciousness, and immortality. Let's get a little weird. A little cosmic. Some scientists and philosophers suggest gold is more than just a shiny metal. It's the best conductor of electricity known to humanity. It's biologically inert. It doesn't decay or corrode inside the body. Ancient texts even speak of monoatomic gold, a mysterious substance said to boost brain function, elevate consciousness, even enhance longevity. Now, I'm not saying it's real, but history shows us. What was magic yesterday is science tomorrow. Zoom into 2023. A company in Japan, working with nuclear waste, noticed something strange. tiny amounts of gold forming as a byproduct of atomic decay. They're not turning a profit yet. But fast forward to 2040, and imagine this. A startup invents a nuclear gold refinery, turning dangerous radioactive waste into pure 24-karat gold. Two problems solved at once: nuclear waste, gold scarcity. This isn't just about getting rich. It's about reshaping how we see matter itself. So, what's the takeaway? So, can Mercury really become gold? Yes. It's been scientifically proven? No. Still not economically viable? Yet, maybe. In the quantum future, we may go beyond alchemy. We might redefine our relationship with the universe. From pyramids to particle colliders, from myth to nuclear science, alchemy wasn't a lie. It was just waiting for science to catch up. If this episode sparked your curiosity, follow the podcast. Smash that subscribe button on YouTube. And remember, magic is just science we don't understand yet. This is Get Set Fly Science, and I'll see you in the next dimension. Stay curious, stay limitless. Jai Science, Jai Curiosity.